In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable zoom on the Dawn theme in Shopify. This is useful if you want a cleaner and simpler product image experience for your customers. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, click on Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, click on the home page drop-down menu at the top. From the drop-down, select Products and then choose Default Product. Now go to the Product Information section. Scroll down until you find the Image Zoom or Media Settings option. Here you'll see options like Open Lightbox or Zoom on Hover. Change the setting to No Zoom or disable the zoom feature completely. After making the changes, click Save at the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully disabled zoom on the Dawn theme in Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.